Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can delete all virus on your iPhone. So first of all, you have to just go to settings, just tap on settings and just scroll down and just go to the general, just tap on general and just scroll down and just go to transfer reset button, just tap on it and just erase all the content and settings, just tap on it and you see there is an option you have to continue to erase all the data of your iPhone and you just have to back up the personal things from your iPhone and just reset the all iPhone and it's also delete the all virus from your iPhone. After that just go back. That's the setting, and another setting is that you just go back again on general and just find a Siri from here and just go back and just find a Siri from here. Just tap on Siri and just scroll down and just delete the history from here. So just find a Siri and just Siri history, just delete Siri and history data history from here. After that, just go back and just go to the main interface of the Apple ID and just scroll down and go to the iCloud and just go to the iCloud settings and just delete the unwanted files from your iCloud if you don't need. After that, just go back and just also have a backup plan of your personal data on iPhone. Make sure you have a backup plan. Even in case of any loss of data, you have just backup of your data, personal data. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.